Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best electric scooter under $1,000 in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Halo Knight T102 Electric Scooter. Halo Knight T102 Electric Scooter built from durable aluminum alloy. It combines strength with style in its bold black and orange design. Despite weighing around 31.5 kilograms, it's foldable and easy to carry or store in your car trunk or home corner. The T102 is powered by a 52-volt 1200-watt brushless motor, allowing it to hit speeds of up to 45 to 50 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough for thrilling rides, effortless city commutes, or even climbing slopes of up to 20 degrees with ease. You'll find a 52-volt 21Ah lithium battery, delivering a maximum range of up to 45 kilometers per charge. That's more than enough for a full day's ride, and it recharges in about 5 to 7 hours. It in overnight and you're ready to roll the next morning with a full charge. It features dual suspension front and rear that absorbs shocks from bumps, potholes or uneven terrain combined with 10-inch pneumatic road tires. The scooter glides smoothly whether you're on asphalt, cobblestones, or light off-road trails. The front and rear disc brake system provides strong, reliable stopping power at any speed, no matter the weather or terrain. Braking feels stable, controlled, and secure, giving you total confidence on every ride. You'll find a smart central LCD display with NFC unlock technology. The display gives you instant access to your speed, battery level, and mileage, keeping you fully aware of your ride at all times. It's fast, smart, and built tough, offering excellent performance, premium comfort, and advanced tech features. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish electric scooter for both daily commutes and weekend fun, this one definitely deserves your attention. Number 4. Aliexpress T9 Electric Scooter. The Aliexpress T9 features a rugged aluminum and iron frame, giving it the durability you need for serious off-road riding. The T9 is powered by a 1,200-watt peak motor, giving it strong acceleration and a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. It can easily tackle slopes of 20 to 30 degrees, so even uphill rides are smooth and steady. This scooter's performance is built for riders who want more than just an average commute. Under the deck, you'll find a 48-volt 28 miles per hour battery system with efficient energy output, offering a range between 20 to 40 kilometers per charge depending on terrain and rider weight. Charging takes about 6 to 8 hours, so you can plug it in overnight and be ready for the next day's ride. It's equipped with dual front and rear shock absorbers, giving you a smooth ride even over bumps or uneven roads. Combined with 11-inch off-road tires, it provides great grip and balance. Whether you're on pavement, gravel, or dirt paths. The dual disc brakes provide powerful stopping performance, giving you full control even at high speeds. Safety comes first with a super bright LED lighting system including a front headlight, rear brake light, and turn signals. It's foldable, so you can easily store it at home, take it on public transport, or fit it in your car trunk. Despite its sturdy build, it's lightweight enough to carry and can support up to 120 kilograms of rider weight. Number 3. Aliexpress ES1 Electric Scooter. The Aliexpress ES1 features a sturdy aluminum frame with a wider 19-centimeter deck, giving you extra foot space and better balance. Despite its heavy-duty build, it's foldable and portable, so you can easily carry it in your car trunk or store it indoors. The ES1 comes equipped with dual 1,200-watt motors. That's 2,400 watts of total power. It delivers a top speed of up to 60 kilometers per hour, giving you plenty of speed whether you're cruising city streets or tackling steep slopes. With its strong torque, it can climb 20 to 30-degree slopes effortlessly, making it perfect for hilly rides or rough terrain. This beast is a 48-volt 20.8 amp-hour lithium battery, giving you a range between 50 to 60 kilometers on a single charge, and charging is super convenient. You can get it fully charged in about 6 to 8 hours. On the handlebar, you'll find a smart LCD display that shows all your key stats: speed, mileage, battery life, and riding mode. It also features cruise control and a coded lock, giving you both comfort and security. It comes with an outstanding dual-disc braking system, giving you full stopping control with both front and rear disc brakes. The 10-inch air-filled off-road tires with an 8-centimeter width offer amazing grip and stability even on gravel, mud, or wet roads, and with its dual suspension system, every ride feels smooth and controlled, no matter the surface. It includes a powerful headlight, side lights, turn signals, and a tail light, ensuring you stay visible from every direction. Whether it's an evening cruise downtown or a countryside trail, you'll always have a clear view and visibility for safety. Number 2. Joyer S10Z Electric Scooter. The Joyer S10Z features a premium aluminum alloy frame that's lightweight yet extremely durable. The S10Z packs dual 1000-watt brushless motors, one in the front and one in the rear. Together, they provide instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a climbing ability of up to 35% slopes. With this power, you can reach speeds of around 65 km per hour, giving you the performance of a mini electric bike in the form of a scooter. The scooter runs on a 60-volt 18-amp-hour lithium battery that's plenty of juice for long rides. On a single charge, you can travel up to 70 to 85 kilometers depending on your riding mode and terrain. Charging takes about 6 to 8 hours, so you can easily plug it in overnight and be ready for your next adventure. You also get 10-inch inflatable off-road tires for a strong grip on gravel, mud, or uneven paths. The design highlights include dual hydraulic brakes, dual elastomer suspension, and a high-definition color display, all giving it a sleek yet rugged personality. The Joyer has included dual elastomer suspension, a patented damping system that absorbs shocks and keeps your ride buttery smooth even on rough roads. You'll also get dual hydraulic disc brakes for precise and reliable stopping power. The LED headlight, turn signal lights, and brake tail light ensuring visibility and safety during night rides. The HD color display, crystal clear, even under direct sunlight. It shows your speed, battery level, gear mode, trip mileage, and cruise control status all in one glance. It's one of the most balanced scooters in its price range, powerful enough for thrill seekers yet comfortable for everyday commuters. If you're looking for an electric scooter that combines speed, stability, and style. Number 1. Aliexpress GT08 Electric Scooter. The Aliexpress GT08 features a rugged aluminum and iron frame, giving it the durability you need for serious off-road riding. The GT08 packs a 5,600-watt dual brushless motor that means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a top speed between 40 to 46 miles per hour that's faster than many entry-level motorbikes. Powering all this performance is a 60-volt 27, a high-quality lithium battery that's a massive 27,000 milliamp hours of capacity. You can expect a real-world range of 25 to 30 miles per charge, depending on terrain and riding style. Charging time is around 6 to 8 hours, so plug it in overnight and you're ready to ride again in the morning. It's got 11-inch off-road tires, a wide standing deck, and even a detachable seat for comfort during long rides. Despite being a heavy-duty beast, the scooter is foldable, making it surprisingly easy to store or transport. You'll find a large digital meter displaying speed, battery level, and riding mode. It also includes a horn, turn signal, light switch, and high-beam headlights for visibility during night rides. Key lock system and single or dual drive conversion switch give you flexibility between power and efficiency. Overall, the Aliexpress GT08 is a high-performance off-road scooter built for riders who want power, comfort, and range all in one package. It's perfect for thrill seekers, commuters, or anyone looking for a reliable electric scooter that can handle any terrain.